much horrible weather because I can't see my near in just 2 meter, because you see that car is going is near and the maximum is 1 meter far, but I can't see this car. I just see that light. So this Saudi Arabia Abha, and really it's not horrible, actually it's very good weather. So I like this weather. Actually I experiences lots of weather, but this type of weather really I can't say is before like that. So this is my first time I'm drive with like that weather, so I like it. I like it. I just tell you, just like it, because you can't see anything. I turn on my heater in the car, so, and what I do, I don't know. Just thought I turn on my heater is more powerful. So I'm going in airport, so too much horrible weather, and I can't stop my car also actually. So because backside also available all car and front side also car, and anybody don't know where is car and where is like that. This is truly horrible. See, you see that car? Actually, my camera is good. That is the reason you see that car. But is your normal eyes, you can't feel that car, because see, this car is coming at right side. Again, go to the left side. Why? Because he not see the front side car. So this is too much horrible. Yeah. And I don't know it's good or bad, but it's okay. It's nice. So my right side is totally is I don't know what. Oh shit! Here is one truck, and you see that this truck is going slowly. I'm also just change the track and go to the state. Really, this is actually horrible for you just recording and drive, but it's okay. My car speed is only for 30, so it's okay. Now it's 40, but I can't see my front side car, and really is in my life is first time. And just I open my window, I'm checking is outside anything. You see anything? It's too much here. That side also nothing. I follow my front side car. Actually, I follow my front side car. This is a better, because I can't see the road. I just see the hazard is indicator, hazard indicator. Somebody's see, you see the hazard indicator is, this is a better, you just follow the light and slowly you just go. Now I go to the Abha. Actually this is the Abha, and I go to the Abha. So my route is maximum 4 hours, and 4 hours total is like that. Really is good. It's good. Always feels good. So like that is today thinking I show you some mountain like that. Is here is too good mountain and everything, so I can't show anything, because here is all maximum car is tourist. Here is not drive is maximum is local, because all local is now sleep. Today is Friday, and this all is tourist, is because all is out of Alabama. Is maximum people is coming for Riyadh, Jeddah, and all kingdom is like that. So it is good weather for every people is thinking we go to the Abha and we feel that weather. So this is actually Abha, real Abha is anywhere you can't believe, and the Saudi Arabia also available as like weather. And here is you see that is weather is my inside in the car is 9 degrees Celsius. So you know that my speed also is small, is 60. So here is 60 is too much, is low speed. So you just check it. Yes, I show you is opposite side road. This is the right side and this is the left side. I show you the left side car. You can't see. It's left side and is it's like that. So bye bye guys. I just concentrate my driving because you know is road. See, you just see that it's too much turning. Here is not available any straight road. Here is all roads 90, 80, 70 degree is rotate. So now I go to the Riyadh. Actually, is my work is here finished. All project is finished. So today's last day. I go to the Riyadh. I see this everywhere is like folk, and see is folk and folk. What about is folk? Folk. See, here is one villa, but you can't see anything. See, you can't see because that street is what I tell. It's good. तो आप लोग देख रहे हो इस तरीके का वेदर बहुत ही रेयर है. एक्चुअली अल्वाहा में भी इस तरह का वेदर बहुत रेयर होता है.